The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number unknown effective until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes the following counties in Massachusetts: Suffolk, Essex, Middlesex, Bristol, Norfolk, Plymouth, and Boston Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large showers and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain in alert for rapidly change in weather conditions, and listen for later statements.